Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to calculate using Excel. To begin, always start your formulas with an equal sign in any cell where you want to perform a calculation. This tells Excel you're entering a formula, not just text. Next, use cell references like A1 or B2 instead of typing raw numbers. This makes your spreadsheets flexible. Finally, familiarize yourself with basic operators: plus, minus, asterisk for multiplication, and / for division. These are your building blocks for any calculation. Let's dive into some essential Excel functions that will save you a lot of time. The SUM function is incredibly useful for adding up a range of numbers quickly. Just type equals SUM, then select your cells. If you need to find the average of a set of values, the average function does this for you automatically. And for simply counting how many cells in a range contain numbers, the count function is your go-to. These three functions are fundamental for many common tasks. Understanding cell references is crucial for efficient Excel use. Relative references, like A1, automatically adjust when you copy a formula to another cell, which is great for applying the same calculation across a column or row. Absolute references, denoted by dollar signs like $1, remain fixed no matter where you copy the formula. This is perfect for referencing a constant value. A handy tip: press the F4 key on your keyboard to quickly toggle between relative, absolute, and mixed reference types. To take your Excel calculations to the next level, consider using named ranges. Instead of A10, you can name that range sales data, making your formulas much easier to read and understand. Another powerful tool is conditional formatting, which automatically highlights cells based on rules you set, like values above $15, 000, or percentages over 25%. This helps you spot important data at a glance. And speaking of making things easier, if you're looking for ways to streamline your daily routine, check out the description below for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.